This is the symbol board for Monkey and Me by Emily Gravitt. This symbol board can help young children to interact and participate in shared reading with a parent or carer. Everyone can use this board. Just point to the symbols as you talk about the story. If a child has a communication difficulty, they can point to a symbol without saying words, or you can point to each symbol in turn until they indicate yes or no. Let me show you how. Monkey and Me by Emily Gravitt. Monkey and me, monkey and me. We went to see some... Who are they going to see, I wonder? Ooh, penguins. That's funny. Penguins. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me. We went to see some... Oh, wonder what's going to be next. Oh, look, kangaroos. That's funny. Let's pretend to be a jumping kangaroo. Boing, boing, boing. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me. We went to see some... Oh, I wonder if I can guess what's going to come next. I think she might be pretending to be a bat. Let's see, let's find out. It is! I see some bats. That's funny. If your child wants to join in with the story at a simple and easy level, you can download the printable symbol tops for the repetitive lines of the story. You can record your voice on a simple communication device like a Big Mac, a step-by-step, or an iTalk 2. Let me show you how. Bunny gave a yawn, stretched out on his belly. Guess who he gave it to?
Guess who?
Oh, can we guess who he gave it to? An elephant called Nellie. Look, there's an elephant. Nellie gave a yawn, and this is what she said. It's time to put our gym jams on and go upstairs to bed.
Time for bed.
Time for bed.
Look,
they're all sleeping. Night, night. The printed symbol board can also be cut out and used in a recorded communication device like a GoTalk or a QuickTalker. You can record your voice into the device so that the symbols will speak as you read the story. Let me show you how. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me, we went to see some...
Monkey. Me. We went to see some...
Wonder what it's going to be. Let's see. Oh, what do we have here?
Elephants.
Elephants.
That's funny.
That is funny.
Not bats.
No, not bats. We've had the bats. We've got
elephants.
Elephants. Oh, I wonder who's going to be next. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me, we went to see some...
Monkey. Me. We went to see some.
Wonder who it's going to be. I think she's pretending to be this animal.
Let's pretend.
Let's see who it is. Oh, look. It's...
Monkey.
monkeys. She's pretending to be a monkey.
Let's pretend. Monkey.
Okay, let's pretend to be monkeys. If you have an iPad, you can download the digital recorded communication boards to go with each book. This means your child can join in with the story on their device. The QR code on the sounding board will take you to this help video and to other useful resources. Let me show you how. Sean gave a yawn while sitting on his mat. Guess who he gave it to? A scruffy, fluffy... Oh.
Sean.
Gave a...
Yawn.
Oh.
Guess who?
Guess who he gave it to? I wonder who he's going to give it to. Is it going to be...
Bird.
bird
Cat.
or a cat? Let's find out. Oh, it's a cat. It's a cat. It's
Not. Bird.
It's not a bird.
Look.
Look, it's the...
Cat.
Oh, I think the cat
Cat.
is...
Tired.
Oh.
Turn the page.
Bird gave a yawn and pecked seed from a dish. Guess who he gave it to? A splishy, splashy... Oh, so bird
Bird.
is giving a
Yawn.
yawn because I think
Bird.
bird is...
Tired.
And that looks like a very...
Big. Yawn. Look.
Look, a really big yawn.
Turn the page.
And let's...
Guess who?
Who it's going to be? A splishy, splashy fish. Oh, look at the fish. I think the fish is tired.
Again.
Oh, you like the fish? You want to read that page again? Okay then.
We hope you found this video helpful. To find out more about the communication resources, scan the QR code or click the link. To find out more about the communication technology used in this video, visit the link below.